As-Salaam-Alaikum everyone, this is Mubin here with another new lesson. Inshallah, in today's lesson, we're going to be covering lesson number 29. It's a very short lesson, but as you can see, it covers the small noon over here. Yeah? So that's the thing that we can look out for. Just before we get started, we are in Ramadan 2020. So inshallah, if you guys are just watching my video, please go down below, press subscribe and share the videos. The main purpose is to improve Quran and Tajweed recitation. Also, please remember my family in your du'as, and don't forget, this year I am doing an appeal and collection on behalf of Abdullah Aid for Sahri and Iftari meals to support families all over the world. There's 8 countries we are supporting, so go down below on the video and you can see a little description, and you can also donate through there, inshallah. Okay, so let's focus on the video here, the lesson. We're going to cover each word roughly 3 times, and I will spell it out, and then there will be an opportunity for you guys to read after me until we reach the end over here, and then we'll cover it and have a quick fire test until we reach the end. We are going quite fast paced. Look at lesson number 30. And that is, I'm sure that is pretty much, yeah, that's pretty much it. Lesson number 31, and then we've finished the whole Noorani Qaida lessons. So that is an amazing achievement, everyone. We have done all the lessons on YouTube for everyone to improve the Quran and Tajweed recitation. Let's focus on this for now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قدير الذي قاف زبر ق دال يا زر دي را پیش رو نون لام زر نل لام زبر لا ذا يا زر ذي قدير الذي لمزة الذي لام پیشلو میم زبر ما ز زبر ز تازیتی نون لام زیر نیل لام زبر لا ذا یا زیر ذی لمزة الذي نوح ابنه نون واو پیش نو ح پیش هو نون با زیر نب نون زبنا ها پیش هو نوح ابنه. Okay, on to the second line over here. خيرا الوصية خا يا زبر خي را زبر را نون لام زير نل واو زبر وا صاد يا زير صي يا زبر يا تا بيشتو خيرا الوصية شيئا اتخذها شين يا زبر شي همزة ألف زبر همزة زبر نون تا زر نت تا زبر تا خا زبر خا ذا زبر ذا ها ألف زبر ها. شيئا اتخذها. شيئا اتخذها. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to, one more time, we're going to recite from here to here without repeating it and without actually spelling it out. We're going to try and focus on each word and try and get this noon correct. Okay? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قدير الذي لمزة الذي نوح ابنه خيرا الوصية شيئا اتخذها. Okay, so that's lesson number 29. It's a very short lesson, but it's just there to remind you that after, if you do see a small noon, you have to actually pronounce the noon and focus on the pronunciation of the whole word and put it in. Okay? That's it for today's lesson. I just want to remind you of the campaign Abdullah Aid that I'm collecting for. Inshallah, the main focus is for Zakat Lillah Sadaqah. All donations go directly, 100% donation policy. I'm going to put it in the description in the video below. Inshallah, there might be a short clip. If you do see a clip, that's obviously what the proceeds went to last year. So I'll try and incorporate it. If you can't see it, then obviously I haven't added it to the video. Okay? As-Salaam-Alaikum. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Take care. Bye.
Sawa.